Please comment. Good morning, please sit down. Okay girls, my name is Prachi. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Prerna.
And I am Sani. Okay. So Prerna, tell me, what kind of music do you like to listen? Indian or Western?
I prefer Indian music over Western music.
Okay. And Sagrika, tell me, what kind of TV programs do you like to watch?
I like to watch TV programs that add some new knowledge to my existing knowledge database. I enjoy programs that run on Discovery and Animal Planet.
Okay, alright. So let me tell you that for the further conversation, Prerna, you will be addressed as candidate A and Sagrika, you will be addressed as candidate B. Firstly, candidate A, you will be going to tell us about your topic, and then when you are finished, candidate B will ask you a question, and then I'll ask you some more questions. So would you like to begin now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to tell you why I love games period in the school. Actually, games period is my favorite period in the school. It gives me the opportunity to relax and talk to my friends as well. It also gives me a chance to be outside in the field under the sunlit sky. I enjoy watching children laughing and running. Since I'm a runner, I love to do 2 or 3 rounds of the playground and thereby improve my timings. It gives me the feeling of freedom and exhilaration.
Okay, thank you, candidate A. Now, candidate B, please ask her a question.
Do you like to run more or watch others playing in this period?
I prefer to run more, but it depends on how exhausted I am on that particular day.
Okay. Now I'll ask you some more questions. Tell me, candidate A, do you practice running at home as well?
Yes, I take 5 rounds of the playground near my house in the early morning.
Okay. And are you keen to break records as well?
Yes, ma'am. I am very keen to break records in the category of 200 meters. I really do well in that category.
Okay, that's really nice. Thank you, candidate A. Now, candidate B, please tell us about your topic. When you are finished, candidate A will ask you a question. And similarly, I ask you some more questions. Please start.
Yes, ma'am. I am going to tell you about my visit to an old age home.
Okay.
Our school planned a visit to a known old age home. Initially, our class was very reluctant to go there, as we thought it would be a boring experience and a waste of time as well. But finally, we agreed, and on reaching there, we were really surprised by the surroundings' cleanliness. And many happy faces greeted us. Most of the inmates were above 60 years. Some of them talked to us about their families. Some of them want us to write a letter on their behalf. We were really touched to the core as we could feel their loneliness. After that, we had a silent return journey.
Okay, thank you, candidate B. Now, candidate A, please ask her a question.
Do you think it was a good decision to visit an old age home?
Yes, definitely. I feel it was a good decision, as we got a chance to make them feel happy, maybe for some time.
Okay, thank you. Now I'll ask you some more questions. So tell me, candidate B, do you have any old relatives at home as well?
Yes, ma'am. I have my grandparents, but they don't stay with us. They stay in our ancestor house in village.
Okay, and how often do you get a chance to visit your grandparents?
We get chance to visit them only during my winter break and during my summer break.
Alright. And has your visit changed your feelings towards your grandparents?
Yes, ma'am. The visit has changed me a lot. Now I started thinking more about my grandparents, and I want them to stay with us so that they don't feel lonely anymore.
Okay. Okay, that's really nice. Now, thank you both of you, and this brings us to the next part of the test. In the next part of the test, I'm going to give you a problem card. You have to read the problem, discuss over the problem, and then arrive at a solution. You have 2 minutes for the discussion. So, candidate, please read the problem for us.
Discipline issues in schools are now becoming a serious concern. As responsible citizens, what advice or solution will you give for your fellow students?
Okay. So, this is the problem card. You can start your discussion.
Discipline is turning out to be a major problem in the schools as well as outside the schools. We being students should understand the importance of discipline, as I strongly believe that discipline is the real key to success.
Yes, I agree that it is only through discipline from which we can achieve greater heights in life. If we are not disciplined, we cannot expect any good in life. At the same time, I believe to maintain discipline is not a tough thing. We have to just monitor our personal conduct. We need not bother about others.
Yes, right. If all of us will maintain our personal discipline, then I don't think the issues of
So let me ask you some questions based on your discussion. So tell me, any one of you, which is the most important indiscipline issue you think schools are facing?
Students don't respect their teachers.
Alright, okay. And do you really think that your solution will help solve the problem?
Yes, surely it will solve the problem. Instead of punishing the students, we have to make them understand the importance of discipline through moral lectures.
Okay. Okay, this is really a nice solution. And this brings us to the end of the test. Thank you both.